Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your GK class and I am your class teacher Miss Musarrad. Students, as you know that it's a week 5 and lecture 13. So student, today we are going to write down the outline and dictation words of the chapter the government. Okay, so here you can say this. So before writing the outline and dictation words of this chapter the government, today's moral lesson is always speak truth. Okay, so here we go students, you can say this the government outline mean इस chapter में आप क्या क्या करेंगे. Dictation words, question answers, MCQs and fill in the blanks. Got it? Well students, now read the dictation words with me. So of course all of you know the rules about the notebook, that draw the margin line, mention date, day and chapter name, and then you will write the dictation words. जी तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. नंबर 1 इज establish, ESTAB, establish. अच्छा इसके आप ना सिलेबल बना लिया करें. establish 3 वर्ड्स बन गए. establish राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज गवर्नमेंट, यानी क्लास 2, GOVERN, गवर्नमेंट, MENT, गवर्नमेंट. क्या वर्ड है? गवर्नमेंट. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप मेरे साथ साथ रिपीट करें. सो establish, गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट. नंबर 3 पे AERO, एरो. PLANES, प्लेन्स. तो ये क्या बन गया? एरोप्लेन्स. द नेक्स्ट वन इज CONS, कंस. TRUC, कंस्ट्रक्ट. TED, constructed. Got it? Constructed. The next one is patients, PATIENTS, patients. patients आपने इस तरह इसको रीड करना है. Now student, look at the next word, activities, ACTI, VIV, activities, TIES. तो आपने इसको किस तरह बोलना है कलेक्टिवली, कैसे बोलेंगे आप? एक्टिविटीज़. BUSES, बसेस. DOC, डॉग, TOR, डॉक्टर. TREAT, treat. PROVIDE, provide. So students, these are the 10 words that you need to write down on your notebook and learn these words with spelling. Okay students, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.